Okay, today we're back working on this dehumidifier condenser. We got to get this motor changed out because it was making noise. So let's get this thing apart and we'll go from there. Well, there's the huge motor I got to get out of there, out of this condenser fan. I think this is a 1.5-horse motor, 463 phase. Is it, maybe it's a 1/2 horse, I can't remember. No, it's a 1/2 horse 463 phase motor. So let's get that out. Luckily we got some zip screws up here holding the darn thing up. We got some Loctite on there. And I can't see. I know you're around here somewhere. I'm going to take the bolt out. It's on there good. That water. Wow. Holy smokes. That's on there. Loctite works wonders. Okay, got the screws out. Okay, we got the motor out of there. And these guys were nice enough to put some zip screws on there, or there's some screws on there to hang the motor first, and then you can drill it or bolt it back up so the damn thing's not falling into the coil. There's our new motor. So let me get this thing on here, and we'll bolt it back up, wire it up, and start it back up, and hopefully I don't have any more noise. Okay, we got everything back together. Let's get this thing started up, and let's see what it does. It was making some horrid noise before, just whining noise. And that's why we had to replace the motor, but let's get this thing started up. Oh man. Now they closed my door. Hold on. Okay. My door blew shut here, so. Oh boy. Let's see. Man, it got hot in here. Okay, here's our dehumidifier. Get this thing back on. There goes the fan. Let's see. 85 degrees, 66% humidity. We need 50, so the humidity from when I walked in, it took me about 45 minutes, almost an hour to change that motor. But as now we're moving some air past the sensor, you can see it's starting to come down. But we're at 85, we should be at 83 or 82. Let's see. 84. So the dehumidifier just came on to dehumidify. We're at 65%. That should be 84. So it's calling for cooling. Let's go back outside, turn that condenser fan motor on, or condenser motor. I don't like that. There we go. So I just heard the contactor in the unit. So I turn this on. There we go. And I don't have anything yet. Oh, that's what happened. It was calling for cooling, but I've had air pass the sensor and it dropped the temperature. So that was the contactor releasing. So let me get this thing started up. Okay, basically with this unit, all it is contactor and power. From my last video, this condenser motor was just making a ton of noise, so we came out and replaced it, and we got it finally up and running, and it's quiet as can be now. It's a little noise on startup, but that's normal. So here, let me shut this thing down. The contactor's still pulled in, so. Get a little noise at startup, but that's normal. But that's it for this condenser fan change out. Thanks. Okay, I got the motor on, got it wired up. What I did was, when I took the old motor off, what I did is took a picture of where, instead of trying to figure out or remember what goes where, all I did was take a picture, wire it back up really quick. So, let's see if we got noise, which I don't think I do. No. Just bump the contactor and I don't have any noise. So that's a bonus. So let's get the fan blade on and then we'll get it started up.